Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the herringbone half double crochet stitch. The herringbone half double crochet stitch is the same height as a traditional half double crochet. If you look at the stitch closely though, it almost looks like there's a knot at the bottom and then the stitch has an angle this way. To crochet the herringbone half double crochet, you're going to yarn over just like you would in a traditional half double crochet and insert your hook. Now you're going to yarn over and pull up a loop, and then you're going to continue to take that same loop and pull it through one loop on your hook. You now have two loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through those two loops on your hook. You're just going to repeat this in every stitch across the row. So yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, and continue to pull that loop through one more loop, and then yarn over and pull through two loops on your hook. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through that and one more loop, yarn over, pull through two loops on your hook. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through one more loop, and then yarn over and pull through the remaining two loops on your hook. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through one more loop, and then yarn over and pull through two more loops on your hook. And that is the herringbone half double crochet.